It seems everywhere you go these days, you'll find Caesar salad on the menu. We're gonna make a fun and easy alternative to the traditional chicken Caesar salad by using butterball mesquite smoked turkey breast and pairing it with kale. Let's start by making a very simple Caesar dressing. I'm going to start by taking my anchovies, my garlic, and some salt, and we're gonna make a paste on the cutting board using a knife. So I'm going to put the anchovy paste in the bottom of the bowl. Add your Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of Tabasco, Dijon mustard, a little bit of lemon juice, and then we'll add some prepared mayonnaise, and then whisk this together. And if you find that it's too thick, we'll drizzle in a little bit of water just to thin it out. Stir in our Parmesan cheese, add a little bit of salt, and a little bit of fresh ground pepper. And there you go. For an added layer of depth, I'm going to make a chipotle rub for our turkey. We're going to add some cumin, chipotle powder, paprika, oregano, some salt, and brown sugar. Mix this around really well. This is going to make a great layer of flavor for our turkey. Here I have a couple of slices of our butterball mesquite smoked turkey breast. I'm going to take some of our chipotle rub and sprinkle it on top, and make sure to really get it in there. I'm going to flip it over and make sure we get that rub on both sides. Now we're ready to cook our turkey breast. My grill has been preheated and oiled. I'm going to place my turkey breast onto the grill. And because the butterball mesquite smoked turkey breast is already cooked, it only needs to be on the grill long enough to give grill marks. Now I have some really nice grill marks on that one side. I'm going to make sure that the other side gets the same, and then our turkey will be done. Here I have our greens mix for our salad. You can customize this dish however you like. To our romaine lettuce, we've added kale, sliced radishes, and fennel. And instead of croutons, we have crispy chickpeas. We'll add some of our dressing to our greens, toss that around until all of the ingredients are very well coated. To plate the dish, I've sliced the turkey in half on the bias for a more visual appeal. We're going to take some of our dressed salad and we're going to pile it high. And it's important to plate this as quickly as you can because the turkey is hot and we don't want it to wilt the salad. We'll add some Parmesan cheese. You can add as much or as little as you like. A few of our crispy chickpeas for that added crunch. Whether you serve this dish as an appetizer, a salad, or an entree, it's sure to go great on any menu.